Kas gi kerpan yeti nom sendur jom kalawe, jinglen labi juvki, ban kelep nyimdai.
Teachers' Day celebration is very important for our college, our institution, and above all, our students, because we honor them for the sacrifices they make. Nowadays, teaching profession is very challenging. It is not only they are responsible for the academics, but also for the formation of our students, spiritual, material, how to use the material things that are available, emotional, and also interconnectedness with the parents, with the society. Life is changing. It is challenging, as I said, because students are confused, parents are confused, teachers are confused how to handle the students. Because of the media is very good. I am also a media person. Media has lots to contribute for the growth of our society, and it brings the world together, and world has become very small. But how to make use of them? Take, for example, use of mobile phones. Some students do not go to sleep watching movies or chit-chatting with the friends. So how are we going to train them? So the parents, the teachers, and the students must work together in order to make a difference in the life of our students. And when we come to St. Mary's College, it was started in 1937 with the motive of educating the women, because the women play a very important role in the family. The father goes to get the job for him and to maintain the family, for running the family in an amicable way. But it's a mother who stays with the children, who forms them. So our foundress, Euphrasie Barbier, wanted to pay attention to the education of the women. And that is why we have St. Mary's College is a women's college. We focus on the formation of the women, and we have the motto of the college is virtue and knowledge. It's not only that we impart knowledge, we prepare them academically, but also the values of honesty, sincerity, sympathy, listening to the pains of others, and contributing service without expecting any profit from there of training others. But service should be duty bounded. It should come from the heart, so that we touch the lives of the people and we transform them. In order to do that, we need to inculcate in the students listening power. When we are able to listen, we like to talk, but how many of us have the patience to listen to the pains or the joys of one another? And here the students play a very, very important role. They appreciate our teachers. Many students have said the teachers and the students are able to interconnect with one another, and that is a speciality of St. Mary's College, because teachers are very caring. Most of them are mothers of the family. They understand the teenagers because they have in their own families. And students love the teachers because of the mentoring. They follow them. They are the friends of the students. And this is why we honor the teachers, is because they are every way that the pillars of formation of the students, formation of the family, formation of the society. On this Teachers' Day, we want to say a big thank you to the teachers of our college, the faculty members, teaching and non-teaching, who work tirelessly with commitment and dedication for the welfare of our students. May they have the blessings of God the Almighty, and may they commit themselves to make a difference in the lives of the students, parents, society. May God bless every one of us to make this world a happy place for all of us to live. May God bless you, sir, and for taking the time of your heavy schedule to enlighten our community the responsibility that they hold in order to work together along with the teachers so that they also find happiness and fulfillment in the profession they have chosen. Happy Teachers' Day to all of us.
You saw potential where we saw doubt and fear. Shaped our scattered thoughts into something clear. With patient hands you molded hearts and minds. Left no aspirer, no lost soul behind. Thank you for being the flame that lights our way, the voice that lifts us higher every day. Molder of our destiny, navigator of our dreams. You're the breath of our excellence, turns it to creed. Thank you, teacher, for all you've given us. Through every lesson, every guiding word, you made our wildest aspirations heard. Navigator of the paths we've never known, firmed up dreams in the soil they're sown. Thank you for being the flame that lights our way, the voice that lifts us higher every day. Molder of our destiny, navigator of our dreams. You're the breath of our excellence, turns it to creed. Thank you, teacher, for all you've given us. The touch of alchemy in everything we do flows from the foundation that we learn from you. Crafter of our frame, keeper of our flame. Thank you for believing we could stake our claim. Thank you for being the flame that lights our way, the voice that lifts us higher every day. Molder of our destiny, navigator of our dreams. You're the breath of our excellence, turns it to creed. Thank you, teacher, for all you've given us. Thank you, thank you, teacher. Thank you, thank you, thank you, teacher.
Kas gigerpan yeti nom sain dor Jongkalawe, Jinglen labia jovki, ban kelep nyimdai.